In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a content calendar in ClickUp. We'll start right inside ClickUp. First, make sure you're in the correct workspace and then head over to your list view. This is where your tasks are usually displayed in a simple linear format. It's the perfect place to start because we're going to build our content calendar from an existing template rather than creating everything from scratch. Once you're in the list view, look for the plus icon. This is usually located near the top of the screen where you add new views or features. Go ahead and click that plus icon. What we're doing here is telling ClickUp that we want to add a new type of view or structure to organize our content. After clicking the plus icon, a menu will appear with different options. From this menu, click on Templates. ClickUp has a large library of templates that save a lot of time and give you a solid starting point. Instead of manually building columns, statuses, and fields, we'll use one that's already designed for content planning. When the templates window opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click on the search bar and type in Content Calendar. This narrows down the list so you don't have to scroll through everything. You should see a content calendar template appear in the results, specifically designed to help you plan and track your content over time. Select the content calendar template, then click on Use Template. This tells ClickUp that you want to create a new folder and structure based on the setup. Before it's created, ClickUp will ask you for a few details so it can place everything in the right spot. You'll now see a field where you can type in the name of the folder. Choose a clear, descriptive name, like Content Calendar, followed by the year or the team name. A good folder name makes it much easier to find later, especially if you manage multiple projects. Next, click on the drop-down that asks, where should this folder be created? This is where you choose the location in your workspace. From the drop-down, select the correct team space where you want this content calendar to live. Make sure it's a space your content or marketing team can access. Once you've chosen the team space, confirm everything looks correct, and then click on Use Template again. ClickUp will now create your new content calendar folder using the template you selected. After a few moments, you'll see your calendar structure ready to customize and start planning your content.